Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is just an old plastic cover to something I cut the base off of. I'm going to put some dazzling white in the bottom. I'm going to try and do a transfer pour, but I'm going to try and swipe some of this dazzling white metallic first. I might put some black in there and do some white cell activator, but I'm definitely going to put some black cell activator on this white. Matter of fact, let me just do that right now. That's Meeden black. I got nothing to lose by trying. I've got a 12 by 16 inch canvas, pre-primed and dry. And I've got Amsterdam black cell activator mixed with Australian Floetrol, which I'm not sure how it's going to work at all on my acetate tool. Could probably use a playing card just as well. Probably better. And I think I'm going to take my silicone brush and remove my excess paint. And I might use colors in this dish also. So I talked about the white cell activator, we're going to do that too. Gotta try it while the timing is right. Might as well, right? Now, I don't think I'm going to use that again right off, at least not today. Put this down. Well, I would have. First I'm going to try that with my shovel, which is just a plastic beach sand shovel. I don't know how this is going to work. I think I actually need to pick it up and try and use it. Now, that didn't work too badly actually, so I'm going to do it again, hopefully. Usually I scrape off the base. I have to back off. I need that out of here. I think I'm going to grab some more of that while I can. Grab the stuff that, try and grab the stuff. Come on, I got stuff stuck on the bottom of my container. So whatever goes in first will help push whatever I want out. I think I'm going to go from this end. Can I get any more out of there? I think I can get a little more out. Wish I'd pushed my envelope and made more cells. But at least I've got nice stripes. Come on, out of the shovel, you. That's kind of interesting. Elbow room is definitely lacking here. Now that's kind of okay, but I definitely want some more colors in there. So what am I going to do with this? Put it across the room, I think, for a moment. And bring back the whole pan. And I've got Deco-art Americana 24 karat gold. Some more Dazzling White would be okay. I'm going to give this 24 karat gold that has some color added to it. Made it kind of coppery. I'll give that a try too. And what do I have? I have teal, indigo teal, which looks more like a cell activator honestly than a color, but it is actually a color. Got jasmine, which is kind of weird. I want something much darker. I've got deep amethyst, but I know it needs a shake. I wanted to use some green. I don't know if I still want to use green or not. I've got Whispering Wisteria. Yeah, I think I still want some green, or maybe turquoise would do. Got the cyan, this is the Vibrant Aqua. Also got Marooned, which does not seem to be very open. I'm going to throw a little bit of black in there, which seems to be busy closing up also. And I guess I'm going to go ahead and try out some of the Fandango. Now if I had a bigger pan, I could probably try and swipe that as well, but I'm not going to. This is kind of cool all by itself. I probably should leave it alone, but that's not my MO. That's kind of neat, huh? I've actually got some cells in my dish. I gotta get a new paint pan. This one has little hard things drying on the bottom that are catching on my tools. I'm not sure how much more I want to do. I really like it. I'm glad I chose the green. And yes, I did just scrape my shovel off on the bottom. That is a bubble. Scraping my shovel off helps the paint go to the edge. I've got a little more paint and I think I'm going to try and use it, but I want some gold in there. I kind of feel like maybe I should use a smaller scoop, and I've got one handy. It's just folded plastic with a taped on back. Take the rest of that paint out of there. That didn't work out too badly. Got a few things in my way that need to go, so I can actually access Okay, do I really want to keep going? Wow. I guess I do. I had originally planned to use my leftover paint for another project. That does not seem to be what's going to happen. Lots of negative space in this one. Maybe if I'm quick I can still do something. I'm a little concerned about this over here. But my rubber brush is curing that. Hopefully. Taking it to the edge. It's not perfect. It's not a bad first try either. I use GAC 800 to keep cracks from happening, along with Floetrol that levels the paint, so we're good to go. So this is dry. I've got some crazing, but I love it because it shows the gold underneath the purple. I've got some Deco-art Americana 24 karat gold with something that makes it copper color, probably hollyberry or dancing fuchsia. And my intention is to put in a few dots and fast forward. So this is my start to see how I like it. I think that's plenty. Maybe I'll shimmer this out to up in the air. Hi, this is Priscilla. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like to be super helpful, please join the membership. My art is for sale. I'm here to help. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I have 2 books on paint pouring. They're found in the Amazon link, and the Amazon link is found on the link tree in the description underneath the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you come again. Bye for now. Priscilla out.